Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to learn how to call someone without revealing our phone number. So for us to be able to call someone without revealing our phone number, the first thing we have to do is to block our caller ID. And for us to be able to block our caller ID, we're going to use the Android secret code to do that. So right now we have to click on our call icon, which we have over here. And when we click on it, we're going to dial *31#. So this code is going to block our caller ID. So you just have to click on call. As you can see, the message over here it displays that outgoing caller ID service was enabled. So at this point, your caller ID has been blocked. So if you call someone right now, it's going to display private number, or your phone number is going to be hidden. So you'll be able to call any number you dial from now, and it will display private number on the person's phone. So after making the call you want to call, if you want to unblock your caller ID, what you just have to do, you have to dial *31# and click on call. As you can see, it's clearly stated that outgoing caller ID service has been disabled. So this is how you can block your caller ID if you want your number to be hidden or displayed as private number, and also how you can unblock caller ID. So if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and do it to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell if you want to be notified about more content I create later. Thank you and do have a nice day.